In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and change your Huddle background in Slack. If you join Slack Huddles regularly, changing your background is a simple way to make your calls look cleaner, reduce distractions, and keep things feeling a bit more professional. The good news is that Slack has this built right into the Huddle interface, so you don't need any extra software or complicated setup. You can blur your background, choose one of Slack's built-in virtual backgrounds, or upload your own custom image. To get started, open the Slack desktop app or sign into your workspace using a desktop web browser. Then go into the channel or direct message where you want to start or join a huddle. In the top right area of that conversation, click the headphones icon to open the huddle. Once you're connected, turn on your camera by clicking the camera icon in the control bar. That's important because your background settings only become useful once your video is active. Next, if your huddle is showing in a small mini player view, you'll want to expand it. Hover over the active huddle window and click the pop-out or expand icon. This opens the huddle in a larger dedicated view, which makes the settings much easier to access and preview clearly. Now look along the bottom toolbar of the full huddle window. Click the three dots to open More Actions. From the menu that appears, choose Video Settings. This opens the video background controls you'll use to adjust how your camera feed appears. You should now see the video background panel. From here, choose the option that works best for your situation. If you want a quick privacy boost, select Blur. This softens whatever is behind you while keeping you in focus. If you want a more polished look, browse the preset virtual backgrounds and click the one you like. And if you want something personalized, click the plus icon to upload your own image from your computer. For the best result, use a clear image in JPG or PNG format, ideally sized around 1920 by 1080 pixels. Before closing the panel, take a moment to check your preview. Make sure your outline looks clean, your lighting is decent, and the background appears aligned properly. One helpful thing to remember is that your self view may look mirrored, so text or logos might appear backward to you, but Slack automatically displays them correctly for everyone else. Once everything looks good, click the X to close the settings panel. Your changes save automatically and your updated background will apply to the live huddle right away. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next